Boys and girls, you're going to start by writing your first name, your last name, and the date on the line. Then we're going to design a balloon. Imagine that you have been asked to design a balloon for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Draw a picture of your balloon. Then answer the questions below. So in the box, you're going to draw a balloon. So here's my balloon. And then, of course, you're going to color yours in and make it look all pretty. Oh, wait. So here's my balloon. Describe your balloon design. Okay, so you're going to come down on this line. You're going to tell me all about your balloon. Why do you think your balloon design should be part of the parade? Is it a character from a popular TV show, popular movie? Is it your favorite character from a book? Is it someone in your life that you care about? Tell me why they should be part of the parade. Lastly, what about your balloon do you think the audience will enjoy? So imagine your balloon is going down the streets of New York City. What are people going to go, oh, amazing, or are they going to cheer for? What part of it is going to be what they enjoy the most? And write about that here. I can't wait to see what balloons you come up with.